So hello guys, welcome back to another problem of the day of GFG. Today we are solving the replace every element with the greater element right on its right. It's a median level question on GFG. So if you are new to this channel, we do every problem of the day of GFG and daily lead code challenges, and also we solve every contest problems of Code Chef, Code Forces, Lead Code regularly and very consistently. Okay, so let's see what the question states. The question states that we are given an array of integers n, and we have to replace every element with the least greater element on its right side in the array. If there are no greater elements on the right side, we replace it by -1. Like we can see here in the example, for 8, the least greater element is not 58 or 71 or 31 or 32 or anything, but it's 18. Okay, so we replace it by 18, and for 58 similarly the least greater element is 63. Okay, for above 58 we have 63, 71, 92, 91, 93, but the least greater is 63, so we replace it by 63. Okay, I think it's clear. And for 25, there is no okay, for 25 there is 28. For 80 there is no element in the right side that is least greater than 80, so we replace it by -1. Similarly for 28 we replace it by -1. I think it's clear. The statement is clear. So let's move on to the solution or the code. It's very short and crisp. Okay, so we are using upper bound function here. Upper bound returns an iterator that points to the least greater element of an array after it. Like here, we can see that upper bound is a standard library function in C++. It returns an iterator pointing to the first element in the range, first and last, that is greater than the value, or last if no such element is found. Okay, so here, if no such element is found, then it will point to the last. So if it points to the last, then we are putting our in our answer vector -1. Else we are adding in our answer vector the I dereferencing the iterator. Okay, so we keep on inserting. If we don't if we keep on inserting all the elements in the array, so that we can after every iteration we can check its the upper bound and put it in our answer. So that's it. At last we return our answer. The vector will store all the least greater elements to the right of every elements. Okay, so thank you.